Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft sweets. Combine sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy pan, heat to simmer, and stir until sugar dissolves while monitoring temperature. Meanwhile, prepare pans with parchment and butter, beat eggs and flavorings at low speed, fold in whipped gelatin or marshmallow base, pour into pans. Cool until set, then cut, dust with cornstarch, and serve immediately. To get the right texture, heat and timing matter more than secret ingredients, so watch the thermometer and trust the feel of the syrup. Cook slightly less for softer centers and a few degrees higher for chewier results, then cool completely before slicing to avoid mess. Flavor during whipping or folding for even taste, and always test one piece to confirm texture before packing or serving friends. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps small creators. Quick recommendation. Stay hydrated during long baking sessions with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, perfect between stirring and waiting for sets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors and textures by folding in zests, extracts, or small inclusions like toasted nuts or coconut. Use concentrated fruit purees sparingly to avoid thinning the base, and add colors with gel paste so moisture balance stays steady. When adding alcohol or liqueur, reduce other liquids slightly. Always taste a small sample to adjust sweetness and acidity before committing to a full batch for guests.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.